In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively filter datasets by date in Wix Studio. Open up your project on Wix's website editor, a powerful tool that enables a wide range of customizations for your website. Once you're in the editor environment, look over to the left-hand side corner where you will find the Content Management System, or CMS, icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to navigate further. You will now need to add a preset, which will allow us to set specific parameters for our data filter. Look for the button titled Add a Preset and click on it. This will open up a preset menu with a plethora of options. Don't be overwhelmed. Click on a preset that fits your needs best and then select it. Having selected a specific preset, it's time to add it to your site. Look for a button that says Add to Site and click on it. With that step, our preset is now active on your website. Now we will move on to the core of this tutorial, the filtering of data. You should be able to see all the content available for filtering. Locate the filter option and click on it. This will open up a new window where we'll create a new filter. Click on New Filter to start this process. This is where we will select the date field we want to use for filtering. Click on the Select Field box and a drop-down list of options will appear. These options include fields such as created date, updated date, or birth date. Choose the date field that best suits your filtering needs. Next, we need to establish the condition for the filter, which will govern what data is shown. This could be anything from is not empty to contains, depending on what data we want to display. For example, if you want to show only those entries that have a specified date, you might choose is not empty. Having set the condition, it's time to implement it. Look for the Add Filter button and click on it. With that, our filter is active, and will sort the data according to the parameters we set. But we are not done yet. The final step of this tutorial involves sorting the filtered data. Click on Sort to further refine how the data is displayed. This step will bring you to an Add a Sort button, which when clicked opens up further options. Here, you can define how you want your data sorted. For example, from A to Z or in chronological order. Congratulations! You now know how to filter and sort datasets by date in Wix Studio, allowing you to have a more organized and efficient display of data on your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and use this new tool to its fullest potential.